Well, Merry Christmas, everybody, from our house to yours. On this joyous occasion, we have a package here that was sent to me. It was kind of initially set up as I'm not supposed to open this until April Fool's Day. And then I was told by the person who sent it 2 days ago that no, that's the April Fool's joke. Open it on Christmas and do it on camera. So that's what we're doing right here today. This big old box, I have no idea what's in it, is from the Littlelanders, Bryce, Amanda, and their 2 boys. And we're going to figure out what this is all about right now. So let's open this. I got an audience building around me. Everybody's excited. What is it? I know I've been wondering, like, what could this be? I know this much already. It's at least 2 or 3 rolls of tape. Slightly used. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. And it is a box! Just what I always wanted. Oh, look at this. Don't open yet. I don't know if you can read that. A message from our friends from the Littlelanders. And then on the back, exactly what I told you. Don't open until April 1st. Hey, he said I could do it now, so we're doing it now. I don't know what we got. How does it work? Oh. Magic's happening. Bryce, were you packing this for a nuclear winter? Oh, it's kind of heavy. Just the old-fashioned way. Get in there. It's metal. Heavy metal. Oh, I can see through the... I think I see what's going on here. Big reveal, are we ready? Check this out. Oh my God. This is falling apart is what it's doing. I don't know how it's supposed to. That is cool. That is cool, dude. What are these in here? Mountain Man Metalworks. Oh. Yeah, the adhesive, I can see there was a adhesive there. It's not sticking, but you guys get the idea. That's cool. That's going on the wall. Absolutely. So, wow, dude, what a cool gift. Thank you so much, Bryce, Amanda, and kids. I don't know what else to say, man. This is cool. That's gonna be, well, that's kind of a highlight of the day right there, isn't it? That's awesome. Anyways, guys, I will show you when it's all packed, when it's all set up and where it's supposed to be and fixed. All right, that was the coolest freaking gift ever. And he kept it a secret. Bryce, you dog, you kept it a secret because you knew. If I knew what was going on there, I would have been like, yeah, I got to get him something too. And you're right, I would have. And you kept it. That's why he did the April 1st thing. He didn't want me to think that I had to get anything for him. But man, that is so freaking cool. It's gonna be right up on my back wall, right behind me in my studio, where my play button will eventually go. I'm dreaming now. Anyway, it's been a wonderful Christmas. Hope you guys are having a great Christmas too. We're about ready to go and get some food, meet up with family, and you know, the whole everybody gets together thing on Christmas Day. So I don't know when I'll get to the opportunity to edit this or just throw it up online, but hopefully soon. Thanks again, guys. That really was cool. So, anyways, Merry Christmas to all of you. Be safe, stay warm, and may all of your Christmas wishes come true. And until the next time, safe travels, happy camping, and cheers.